Do you crack your knuckles? You've probably heard it causes arthritis, but what if I told you that's a total lie? That myth is completely false. Cracking your knuckles doesn't lead to arthritis at all. In fact, scientists have debunked this for years. So why do we believe these myths? What else have we been told that's completely false? You could be living with misconceptions and not even know it. Ever cracked your knuckles and felt guilty? Tell me in the comments if you've ever thought cracking knuckles would cause arthritis. If you want to bust more myths, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join me in uncovering the truth, only here at Fact Labyrinth.